In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email forwarder in Cpanel using Hostgator. This is a very handy thing to know if you want to streamline your email management by automatically redirecting emails from one address to another. Let's dive in and guide you through this process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to the Hostgator website. Open your preferred web browser and go to hostgator.com. Once you're there, find the Sign In option, which should be prominently displayed on the home page. Click on this to access your Hostgator account. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your credentials to proceed. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Hostgator homepage. Here, navigate to the Websites section. You should see this listed as an option on your account dashboard. Click on Websites to open it. This will display a list of your hosted websites, and it's important to choose the one where you wish to set up the email forwarder. Once you're in the Websites section, look for Settings and give it a click. This is where you'll find different configurations related to your website hosting. The Settings area will provide you access to more advanced options. Speaking of advanced options, the next step is to click on Advanced. This button is usually located within the Settings panel and leads you to deeper customization features. Now, look for the Cpanel option. In Hostgator, Cpanel is the control panel where you can manage all your site's components. It's quite user-friendly, and once you click on it, you're almost there. Inside Cpanel, you'll need to locate and click on Forwarders. The Forwarders page is where you'll set up and manage the rules for your email forwarding. It's designed to be straightforward, so you shouldn't have trouble finding it. The final step is to create the email account forwarder. Click on Create an email account forwarder. You'll be prompted to provide the email address you'd like to redirect and the destination email address where you want to send all incoming emails. Take a moment to ensure that these details are entered correctly to avoid any future hassles with misplaced emails. Once done, save your settings. And that's it. You've successfully set up an email forwarder in Cpanel on Hostgator. Remember, this can be a great way to manage multiple email accounts more effectively. If at any point you want to disable the forwarder, you can do so by revisiting this section and adjusting the settings. I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful. Feel free to revisit any steps if needed and enjoy a smoother email experience. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any further questions.